guys, I'm gonna be demonstrating my favorite squishy really quickly. So yeah, here's my pretzel.
Alex, how are you?
Great! I'm just demonstrating this pretzel. It's very nice and just gonna be
Alex, how are you?
Great! And also, guys, just to let you know, before I start this video, I know it's kind of pointless to say this, but I have Robux. Okay, anyways, I like the squishy. Yeah, and I like the squishy, and it's my favorite squishy out of my collection because it's so slow rising, and it's so pretzely, and take this camera, babies. Take it. Yeah, take this. It's actually one of my favorite squishies. It's gonna kill me. So I better finish this video within 1 minute before it kills me. So anyways, this is good, and yeah. This is one of my favorite squishies. So yeah. Next, I have this Bloom Strawberry. It's not my favorite squishy, but it's a squishy I really like, and it's unique. It smells nice. And it's a really good squishy, so I hope you guys enjoyed my favorite squishy video. If you did, make sure to like this video. And guys, and Chloe's showing her favorite slime. So before I oh.
What's in my secret box?
Oh, okay, bye. So Chloe's doing what's in her secret box, so check out her video, and yeah, you should subscribe to Chloe. She's an awesome person. I like her. Bye. Subscribe.